everybody, happy Wednesday to you. I just wanted to pop on with a little special video today. Hopefully you already saw the recipe that went up today on time, I should note. We've been late the past couple weeks. I'm sorry about that. I do try to get a new recipe up for you every Wednesday. Well, sometimes not a recipe. Last time it was a garden tour. But today's recipe is up and on time, and it is a great one. It's an oldie but a goodie that I've actually changed up a little bit. This is my okra fritter recipe that I've added some spinach to, which is awesome because you can't taste it and you add in all of this great nutrition. It makes them bright green. They're really fun. It would be, a fun recipe to make for your kids and, call them something silly because they're green, or make them for St. Patrick's Day, or if somebody's favorite color is green. Anyway, they're delicious. They're easy, and they're really nutritious. And if you don't already love okra, they might just turn you into an okra lover. So be sure to check out that recipe. But I just wanted to pop on real quick today because I don't think I've told you all this. Certainly you know that I have this membership community called the Autoimmune Free Cooking Club. That is for people who are managing their autoimmune or other chronic health conditions with functional medicine, which would be diet and lifestyle. So managing your stress, prioritizing sleep, dealing with environmental toxins, of course, food. So I've had that membership for just about 6 months now. It's been going really well. It's letting me share my love of good food and share this love of being healthy in a way that is, I feel like, it's true health. When you take medication, a lot of times that's really just masking symptoms. And with functional medicine, we're getting to the root of the disease and kind of building up health from the bottom up. And it's the way I've been managing my Crohn's disease for many years now, and I just love to share that with others. So I have the membership community, and I open enrollment several times a year. I wasn't quite ready to open enrollment again because I've added this new layer to my business, which is a course. It's a 6-week course or 6-module course. You don't have to complete it in 6 weeks, but it comes with lots of great print materials. And it's really designed for the people who aren't quite on that health journey yet, but are curious, who are wanting to make changes. Maybe they're dissatisfied with how medication has been managing their disease to this point, and are looking for something new, looking for a more natural approach. So that's who this course is designed for. And it is, like I said, 6 weeks or 6 modules. And the plan was I would finish the course sometime later this spring, release the course, and after you go through the course, then I'll open the membership and you can sign up for the membership. Because remember, the membership community is for people that are already on this journey, that already have this foundation of knowledge about functional medicine, diet and lifestyle medicine, and are committed to it. So the membership isn't really for people who are brand new and not quite sure where to start. So the course would come first, and then you would be eligible to join the membership. But with all of this, just craziness that's happening in our world right now, I feel like it's a great time to make a change. And some people feel like, I'm not going to make a change right now. I'm going to wait until all this is over, and then I will make a change. And then there are people who are saying, you know what, now's the time. And that's the kind of person that I think I can help, because this is a lifelong change. It's not something that you're going to do just right now, and maybe you'll change things for a month and then you'll feel better. If you change things for a month, I think you will feel better, but you have to maintain those changes. And you'll have to continue to tweak as you go, because your body won't stay the same, and things will have to continue to change. And that's why people are enjoying the ongoing support of the membership like mine, and there are others kind of in that realm as well. So enrollment is open right now through tomorrow, just the 30th, the last day of April, and for $29 a month, which is the monthly fee for the membership. So I was going to increase that this time around, but I'm not doing it because of you know, just the state of the world where we are right now. The price will stay the same, $29 a month. You'll get ushered into the membership and everything that involves with the live coaching, you know, the endless resources, that sort of thing, the community of like-minded people, and you'll also get the course. And in full transparency, the course isn't completely finished, so it won't be coming out boom, 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 1 week after the next. It'll be coming out, you know, module 1, and then a few weeks later, module 2. In the future, with the course, you'll get a lovely booklet in the mail with your worksheets and all your content that you'll have in a print version. This version is just all going to be digital because I'm not charging anything for it. So I can't afford to have those printed and sent to you. So again, you can join right now, today through tomorrow, just the 30th. You'll be welcomed into the community and you'll receive this course for free. So whether you're already on your journey or you're brand new, the course is open to you right now. Autoimmune Free Cooking Club and the Autoimmune Freedom course for $29 a month. And I'd love to have you as a part of it. I hear so many comments from so many of you that you are, you've changed your life and you feel better already and you appreciate my recipes, or you've just heard about anti-inflammatory cooking and eating and you're exploring this new world. Some of you are cooking for family members and improving their health. Many positive stories. And you know, I'll be honest, it is hard to be an entrepreneur. It is in a lot of ways easier to go to work and work for somebody else and be able to kind of leave that at the door. It's hard to own your own business. It's hard to be in this sort of virtual world of business where there's not a lot of feedback typically. And so sometimes I get kind of down and I feel like, you know, I haven't gotten a lot of comments lately and I'm not getting as much interaction as I would like. And then every time, the next day, I get a comment from somebody that will be long and they'll, you know, kind of tell me their whole story and share how I have had the privilege of playing this little tiny part in their healing journey. And I say, okay, you know, okay, God, I guess you want me to continue on with this. Thank you for that. Positive feedback. Thank you for that confirmation that I just need to keep going. And so I'm keeping going. I'm continuing to create materials and resources for you, and this course is part of it. So Autoimmune Free Cooking Club and the Autoimmune Freedom course open for enrollment right now, just through tomorrow, $29 a month. Just go to autoimmunefreecookingclub.com and all the information is right there, lots of details. I'm available if you want to ask me a question. You can comment on this video. You can send me an email. All that contact information is on the website. And I would love to have you in our community. It's a great community of very kind, generous people who all want the best for each other. And that's what I want for you too. I want the best for you. I feel really well. I used to feel really sick, and I know what that's like, and I know what it's like now to feel well, to not worry all the time that my disease was coming back, that I couldn't just leave the house whenever I needed to leave because I might have to run to the bathroom, that I might have to miss out on something important because my symptoms are flaring. That's just not even a part of my life anymore, and the freedom that comes with that is there really are no words for it. So that's why I've named the membership in the course as I have, Autoimmune Free Cooking Club and Autoimmune Freedom. That's it. I'd love to have you join us if this feels right for you. If there's somebody you know who would benefit from this, please share this video with them. And don't forget to check out that okra fritter recipe that I posted today. And of course, all the good things that are coming in the future. All right, thanks everybody. I hope you make it a great day.